are now in San Bernardino Mountains, and we're on our way to the famous Big Bear. This is an awesome feeling. The mountains, I can't even do it justice on the phone, but I'll give my best shot. This is really, I feel like I'm out in nature for sure. The mountain ranges are really lush and green, and then in a couple of months it won't look like this. It'll be all brown and a tinderbox for fires. But if you have not had an opportunity to get out into the mountains, I'm giving you a view that is not experienced every day. I mean, I can only give you the view, but I can't give you the feeling of the awesomeness of all of this. But it's really awesome. I've got to hold on to my phone. Baby, we are up here. I don't know how high this really is, but we are up here. Just imagine, human ingenuity has made it so that we can be in places like this without the commitment. The air is so clear up here, as you can see in the camera. But this is one lane in each direction. So just go along for the ride. I'm going to be quiet because I'm taking in the scenery as well. It feels totally different than what we can see. This is an awesome experience because we're pretty high up. And we're catching it at the right time because it's usually snow. And there's no snow. It all melted. This is one lane of serpentine roads. Don't take it fast. And the air is cooler, much cooler. Don't look over the edge. I smell a tire burning.
Brakes.
Ooh.
It's brakes.
Ooh.
Coming down.
Well, I already know this is not something to be done at nighttime. Highly dangerous. You have to know where you're going. And we're going up, up, up. Okay, I'm back. Look over there.